Real Ocean Park. This is the classic Schwarzkopf coaster. You don't get many of these in Britain. This is a good model. It's a big size. It runs 2 trains and it's right here in North Wales. Only 5 miles from where Carl and Mila. Yeah, if you ever get a chance to go in, it's a good ride. Over there you have a side friction wooden coaster, which is a flume ride similar to Vikingo at Blackpool Pleasure Beach. It's a classic and it's been here since the 1980s though, or before that I believe. Over this way you have a couple of flat rides, which are pretty good. You've got waltzers, you've got a Van Curler mine train ride which goes around twice at reaching speed on the second run. It's a pretty good ride, similar to the one at Alpha Towers. In the distance there's a Pinfari Lucas similar to the one at Greater Manor in Camelot. Well, actually, it's a good ride. They recently moved it into India, I believe. Yeah, very rough, but it's a good ride. You've got other things. You've got a ride like Dynamo at Alton Towers here. It's just a breakdown. Here we are on the side friction flume at Rhyl Pleasure Beach. Well, Rhyl Ocean Park actually, isn't it? Yeah. This ride is like Vikingo at Blackpool, yeah? Anyway, here we go, and we're going to be going down the drop in a second.